Hormonal acne is exactly what it sounds like. Acne due to hormonal imbalance inside a body. In this video, we are going to talk about hormones and acne. And if you want to be your own skincare expert, keep watching. So basically, there are two hormones that is implicated in hormonal acne. One is androgen and the other is cortisol and related hormone, which is implicated in stress-related acne and will be dealt in a different video altogether. In this video, we are basically going to focus on androgens. So androgens are male hormones, which is a type of sex hormones. So there are two varieties of sex hormones, the female hormones, which is estrogen and progesterone, and male hormones are androgens, which include testosterone, dihydrotestosterone, androstenedione, and many others. If you compare men and women, you would see that men tend to have a greasier skin because it is full of appendages. They also have prominence of open pores and more of acne. You should also note that females also have male hormones, although they are very teeny tiny quantity, but they are present. So normally in a female hormone completely outgrows male hormone. Okay? So if the female hormone decreases or the male hormone increases, there would be a relative or absolute excess of testosterone, and then it can cause androgen excess and leads to acne. Premenstrual flare. Just before the menses, the female hormone suddenly dips down and leads to development of acne. In fact, 65% to 85% women experience premenstrual flare of acne. Similarly, in postmenopausal age group, when estrogen and progesterone have fallen to very low levels, there is development of acne and even hirsutism, which is thick terminal hair along the chin and the jawline. So there are many syndromes associated with androgen excess, like congenital adrenal hyperplasia. It's a very rare condition. Even more rare is ovarian tumors, pituitary hypothalamic tumors. But the commonest is PCOD or polycystic ovarian disease, and we are going to cover that in a little detail in this video because it is the commonest cause of androgen excess and acne in females of reproductive age group. So PCOD has two main defects. One is the androgen excess. Because of that, there is thick hair growth along the jawline known as hirsutism. There could be hair fall, there could be acne. Because of deficiency of female hormones, there are chances of delay in conceiving, pregnancy losses, irregular menses. And the second main pathogenic factor is insulin resistance, which is responsible for acanthosis nigricans, which is that thick black patch along the neck or underarms or other body folds. It is responsible for skin tags and weight gain and even long-term diseases like diabetes and heart diseases. So acne associated with PCOD is present mainly in the lower half of the face in a U-pattern distribution or mask-like distribution. Any female greater than 30 years of age, if present with acne, should be investigated for PCOD, that is via blood tests and ultrasonography. Once PCOD is diagnosed, the treatment is pretty simple. Although, once you sense that breakout brewing under the skin, your first instinct is either to pop that pimple or to buy any over-the-counter products and apply it on your skin. But you have to fight that instinct because hormonal treatment is rather resistant to treatment and a certified doctor should only treat you. You can do certain lifestyle changes like follow a diet devoid of white sugar and dairy, try to reduce weight, follow intermittent fasting diet. When it comes to medication, your doctor is going to prescribe either birth control pills or certain anti-androgens, metformin if it is associated with insulin resistance. The total treatment takes around 6 to 9 months. But in order to expedite the process, you can take supportive treatment meanwhile. Like for acne, you can go for peels or lasers. For that thick hair growth along the jawline, you can go for laser hair reduction. For hair fall, you can go for PRP. I think this video was helpful. In the next video, we are going to talk about adult acne, and till the time, you know what? Be beautiful, be influential.